Hello, this is the solution for quiz assignment 10 of week 10 of the course NPTEL, The Joy of Computing Using Python. For question 1, the answer is option B, size. As you can see in the program, it returns the size of the image, which is this. If we try the other commands, we get an error. For question 2, the answer is option C. As you can see in the program, the output is an array of 1, 4. So here we are iterating over each array L1 and L2, and we are appending the similar element to list L. For question 3, the answer is option D. As you can see in the program, m.t returns the transpose of the matrix. So the matrix is 2 by 3 here. The columns and rows are interchanged. So the column becomes 9, 10, 11 and 19, 20, 21. For question 4, the answer is option B. As you can see in the output of the program. And this replaces the first element with the second element for the first two occurrences. So here Madras is changed to Chennai for the first two occurrences in the string. It is here and here. For question 5, the answer is option C, access error, as you can see in the output of the program. Option A is possible if access is 0, and option B is possible if access is 1. And option D is possible if we are checking the sum of the first row, P of 1. For question 6, the answer is option A, as numpy.ones of 3, 3 returns this array. So it returns an array of 3 by 3 size with float ones. For question 7, the answer is option B. As you can see in the program, we have an image of size 200 by 200, and this is option B. We get a blank image of size same as the original image. If we try the other commands, we get an error. For question 8, the answer is option C, as you can see in the program. It saves the image into this. This is the output. So here we are adding array 1 and array 2 to array 3 and displaying array 3. So array 1, the height, that is the amount of rows, remains the same. The rows remain the same, the columns are changing, that is the width of the image. So from 0 to 100, that is half the width, we print red, and from 100, from middle to the last column, last width, we print blue. So the output is for question 9, the answer is option A, as you can see in the program. The output is 13 because the list.index of a substring returns the index of the first occurrence of the substring in the string. So the index here is 13. For question 10, the answer is option C. As you can see in the output, we get a matrix of 2 by 5, 2 rows, 5 columns, with values inside generated from random.randant 1 to 5. So here usually random.randant is inclusive range, so it returns 1 to 5 including the numbers 1 and 5. But for numpy.random.randant, if we see the documentation, it says that low is inclusive and high is exclusive. So similar to range function, it will return only 1 to 4. If we try this again, we don't get a 5. So the answer is option C. I'm sure of the answers, but if there are any changes, I will update them in the description below, so please check the video until before the submission date. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.